Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Soyam Mahfooj Institute. So today we are going to discuss about hard work versus smart work. It's a very considerable topic. Introduce yourself.
My name is Mohammad Tawfiq and I would like to talk about smart work versus hard work, which is very interesting topic to each one of us.
What would you like to say about hard work versus smart work?
So, people say smart work is better than the hard work. 90% people who actually use the word of smart work, and however, smart work is to know when to stop that hard work, so that they get result in right way. And hard work putting a lot of time, and smart work is spending less time.
Yeah, you are saying right. But if I would like to talk about hard work and smart work, so firstly, we all have to know about hard work and smart work. What is the meaning of hard work and smart work? So, firstly, if until you are not be serious about your life, so you can't do anything big in your life. So, if we talk about the hard work, what is the hard work? Like your friends are going hang out and you still study. It's a hard work. And if your friends are playing the cricket and PUBG and use mobile phone, but you still study, it's a hard work. And if your friends are going in cinema with girlfriend and boyfriend, but you still study, it's a hard work. And if your friends are talking with girlfriend and boyfriend and many other stupid things, but you still study, so I guys, it's a hard work.
So you are saying absolutely right. When we do study and we do hard work. So if we didn't get success through hard work, that time we will have to change our destination to get success, not to goal. So there are many people who work like a labor. They don't earn money a lot of as compared to the smart work person. So if you talk about such as there are many students who keep studying every time, but still they get 55% marks. And but why so? Some student they study only few hours, and still they get 80% marks. It means that they didn't hard work, but they do only smart work.
But if you talk about the again hard work, many of the students don't feel like to get up early in the morning, as you all know. But then you woke up in the morning early. It's hard work, and one of the biggest example you can tell hard work and smart work are two coin, and without two hands are not possible in collab. And similarly, hard work and smart work can't possible in our goal.
Yeah, absolutely. But I just want to say you about any college and university. So you know very well about that, and HOD earn a lot of money as compared to the any employee, any peon. So because they use their time of their mind, and peon their time don't use of their mind. Only they do hard work. So that's why smart work is very important to each one of us. And so many people, there are many people who work hard work, but they are not able to achieve their set goal. But smart work people attend their set goal faster through proper management. So smart work we should do smart work in our life, definitely.
Yeah, like you were talking about the HOD and university college, but I want to say you about become HOD. If you want to become HOD any university and college, so between 18 years to 25, 26 years as old, you have to do a lot of hard work to become HOD. But I want to say you about hard work. One of the biggest example, if you are prepare any competitive exam, you know already about the population. Indian pure population increased day by day. Competition has increased too much. So definitely you have to do study proper way and with a hard work. After select any job, any government job, any private job, you will make smarter. But hard work is better than smart work, and you have to do hard work for to get a good job and to do any work. After that, you will make smart work. I would like to talk about a proverb. I guys, you must have heard a proverb. A talented person never successful in life. Only hard worker person succeed in life. So how can you say that about smart work is a better than hard work?
Because I know, I agree with you. Hard work is very important at many places, but when you will use of smart work in any field, suppose you are doing any business, and at that time definitely you will have to use of their mind, and you will have to come new strategy in your business. It all comes due to when you will have a good mind, and when you will use of their mind. So it all comes after that. I just want to say you one of example, Usain Bolt. So Usain Bolt had done a lot of hard work in their career, and nowadays that is known as all over the world famous person, and Usain Bolt is known as fast racer in all over the world, and that's why hard work is very important at many places. So smart work save our strength and time. So smart work is the best option to save, and as well as to improve mentality, ability, skills, knowledge. So smart work is when you apply any shortcut in your work, and the result is 100%. So thinking in different way, and solving problem very quickly. So if we talk about hard work people thinking in one way, and they're doing same to get problems, and hard work person do physical ability and efforts to get success.
But I want to say you about hard work. Hard work. Without hard work, you can't achieve your goal. But if you are doing a hard work at this time, so definitely one day you will get a better result of this hard work. Like suppose you are a beginner at this time, and you want to learn speak English. English is a very important for all a student. Without English speaking, we can't a good job. And you want to learn speak English, so to learn for that you have to do a lot of hard work for many years, because English learning is not easy. For that you have to do a lot of hard work, and you should read newspaper, and you should speak more and more time, and you should you have wrote down any topic, and you should listening any news and any speech. So it's a hard work. You have to do a lot of hard work to learn speak English.
You know very well, there are many labor and wages men that are doing work in field, so they don't use of their mind, and that's why they do physically work. And so in such a situation, we should use of their mind, and we want to become a smart work person in our life. So according to me, both are extremely good, and in many ways.
Yeah, absolutely. You are saying right. Both are extremely good for all student, but without hard work, we can't achieve anything. After to do hard work, you will make smarter. So thank you, friends, for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video.